And now I think she's definitely over any sort of critical point. Oh, she's gonna scratch. Oh,
I'm taking a little video of her.
Okay.
Uh-oh. No. Back up.
She doesn't know about edges yet, but
Yeah.
I don't want her to learn by falling off the bed. What's that? She's definitely, I let her walk on this floor and she was going under the bed, and you know what she was doing was meowing to let me know where she was the whole time. And when I'd say, come here, she'd come right back to me.
Look at that face. I cannot believe how big she's gotten.
This is the most amazing thing I've ever done. I've tried to save so many animals and it's never been successful, except for that bird this winter, but I mean, this is the most amazing thing I've ever. Nice heinies. Nice flat heinie. Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Oh. Get that one.
Oh. Here we go. She wants to play. She's learning how to take a bath.
That's so cute.
Oh my goodness. Oh, you can hear her purring.
Oh, I miss my Mary.
Your nails are starting to hurt.
She is like a little baby.